back here now, and we're riding in this. We're going to stroll around the Beds Park. There we go, riding in this train. See that?
To learn more about our favorite Jurong.
There's my friend Lee. Say hi,
Pros and competitors to your right features the High Flying Show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m.
Yeah,
Certain
we arrived here already afternoon. It's late, so they give us like 2 hours to roam around. Says yeah, we're gonna ride in this train. Then we need to go back like 6 o'clock.
Actually, morning.
I don't know what we're gonna see here. It's a bird. It's a bird, it's a bird. Always see my remember and remember you remember me. Wow. It's good if we walk, but then we don't have time to walk. So but see, wow, that's beautiful there. See, what's that? What is that? Oh, you see that bird? It's so cute. The red flamingo. I think it's a red flamingo.
rapidly disappearing
This is what we see here.
simulate an observation high.
There's a guy. There's a guy doing maintenance, the cleaning service of this park. Yeah, what we see here is this. It's a beautiful park. It's my first time to come here, so I'm just gonna enjoy this moment.
They are native.
Oh, there's a case over there. You see that? I don't know what or inside. I cannot see any bird. It's empty or we just hiding. On the other side also there's a cage over there, but we don't see anything.
Enjoy a close encounter with the hornbill
I don't know what's inside there. Gee.
at 11:45 a.m. daily.
Ah, they're open like 11:45 a.m. Oriental hornbill. Wow, we missed to see it. Oh, it's over there.
Windows on Paradise to the right is home.
I saw some, but it's a little bit far.
The birds of paradise are known for their conch display, which includes dances
Is an oriental hornbill. Oh, they are hornbills.
We are about to make our first stop at Grand.
But it's a loss. We did not see.
Visit African tree
Oh, African treetops.
and Jurong.
It's over there. African treetops.
Wonderful wearers.
Why is a loss? We cannot get in. We cannot get in because we're riding.
Remember to take all your belongings with you.
There's a What are you doing? Are they gonna stop here? Oh, station 2. It's Philippine Eagles. Wow, it's a lot we cannot see. Yeah. Can we go? Can we go? Go there? Go in there? We can get out and go. Oh, really? All right, let's go. We're going to the treetop. We're gonna see the Philippine eagle. So we get down from the train, and we're going to the treetops. It's African treetops. African treetops. Yeah. So we're gonna see. It's good. Gonna see the eagle. Where? Where? That's a cafe. So we're gonna. Where is that? Oh wow! Look at that! Look at that! It is. What do you call that? Ga? No. I forgot the name. Jamie, what is the name of that? What is the name of that animal?
Monster lizard, right?
Huh? Lizard? Monster lizard? No, there's a name on that. Of that. I just forget. Just forget. Anyway. Let's go. Yeah, wow. Look at in here. There's a curtain. Look at this. Oh. Yeah, look at that. Oh, we can hold here. We can hold. Yeah, there's something to bring.
This one is. Do not touch.
Do not touch. No, we do not touch. We just, yeah, see. See, they are coming closer. But we cannot touch. Oh, this one. See? Yeah. Okay. What is that? Yeah, what is the name? Oh, they are African treetops. Oh, this one is nice. Hello. Oh, she's coming. He's coming too. He's coming too. Oh my word, they're so beautiful, birds. I cannot. Wow. All right, let's go. There's another one there. And a cage that. You see that? Yeah. Hi. Hi. They're not speaking. There's a lot. They are called treetops. Oh, there you go. Some treetops. And look at this. There's also. Ah, they're flying. There's another one there. Not that bad. Oh, she's making some like ooh, 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 ooh. Hello. Hello. Oh, she fly away. Oh my word. All right. I just wanted to scroll around. Look at it. Ah, this is really a bird's park. All we can see here are birds, different kinds of birds. But this one here, you see, it's surrounded. It's like a cage, and you cannot fly away. You cannot fly away. You cannot get out here. But they're living like the same life because they are flying around in a tree top, and there's a tree. It's a beautiful place. It's really beautiful. I really love this. Look at that. There's another one there. They are so big. They're so big. You see? Oh, look at that. You see that? Oh my God. Oh, look at them. Oh my word. And look at it. We are on the top. So the down, you can see down. Yeah. And here, there is a stairway here. If you want to go down. There's a stairway there. But I don't like to go down there. So I just wanted to stay here on the top. And while seeing those birds, and there are some birds' nests too. If you can see the birds' nest, it's over there. I will focus. I will zoom. Over there, it's a bird's nest. So this is their house. They are living here. So beautiful. I really enjoy. There are the see. Look at that. And the other one is there. See, look at them. Look at them. Where is the one there? Yeah. Oh, yeah. my god, I saw another one. I saw another one. They're playing. I cannot see where is that. There. Oh, there. Yeah. You are there. See, look at that. They're playing. They're dating. At the branch of the trees. The top of the branch of the trees. They're dating. See. Alright. And the other one bird in the top watching them. Watching the lovebirds. Okay. Let's see. Yes, there. Alright. See you again. I'm going down on the stairway. Yes, my friend is over there. So I'm going down. I'll go to them. There's a couple here. Oh, this is one. Swinging. She's swinging. Hindi ka pa rin yan nakalis? Yan talaga yung binibidyo mo? Ako binidyo ko yung mayroong nag-aaway sila. Nakuha ko kayo lahat. Ano nag-aaway? Nag-ano sila? Naglalambingan. Nag-aarutan. Look at this. Na-enjoy ko talaga. Grabe, sobrang init. Look at that. What? Oh! Oh my god! Oh, they are coming to me also. Look at this. So what should I do?
Oh, Fina.
Become also here.
No.
Yeah. They are picking you. It's painful. Excuse me, darling. You want it. Bye. Oh, here. This is the bird's nest. We're getting closer. That's the bird's nest. Oh my God. We enjoy here. Oh, downstairs a lot also. There's a lot of birds downstairs also, down on the ground. See, over there. Ayan, tapos ko na yan. Binidyo ko na yan kanina. Oo. Yeah. Oh, you see, look at them flying. They're flying around. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa nila. They made this very beautiful, yeah? Because they're parang nakatira sila dito na parang normal lang. Kasi sa puno ng kahoy, ayan oh. They're living a normal life.
Grabe na nakita ko dyan na ano. Oh my God.
Yeah. Ako din. Yung doon talaga nakats ko yung lagi nagkakarutan sila doon. Look at that in the sky, yeah? This is like a big caves, you know? The whole forest. They made it closed. They closed it. And look at that. See? Look at that. What's that? It's beautiful. See, they're flying. There's a small one.
Fina. Good.
You did not see. You did not see. Oh, all right, guys. Later. They are eating now. Look at that. Oh, that's so beautiful. And here's the other one. Another tree here. Yeah. Oh my word, that's so beautiful. Alright.